up guys, Carey with DrillFit Training, and I'm going to show you how to do the perfect mountain climber for your abs. Let's get into it. For this exercise, we really want to start with the upper body. The number one most important thing to think about is keeping your shoulders right above your wrists whenever you set up, and then we're going to push through our arms. That way we're able to hold that core the whole time we go through the movements. Place the hands shoulder width apart. Our shoulders are lined up right with our wrists, and the rest is just holding a really good plank. There's a couple of different variations of the mountain climber. I really like a slow and controlled mountain climber where you just drive the knee up, place the foot back, and then drive the knee up. Keeping it super controlled like this really allows you to push through the arms and focus a lot on those abs. Second up from here, everyone knows, is the running. You'll notice I'm trying to keep my hips very parallel for that movement, and my shoulders, I'm trying not to move them back and forth as I go through the exercise. Another variation up from here is going to be the cross. So here we're getting some of the obliques in, and we're driving one knee to the alternate elbow. This is a great move for the abs, the lower abs specifically, and then your whole core. And your core does include this entire trunk area. So being able to hold that for long periods of time. I really like to do sets supersetted with another ab exercise, and for rounds of 20 to even 40, 50 reps, pretty high rep on this exercise. Give it a shot.